Hello traders. So market was trending today. I hope आप सबने पैसा बनाया होगा. We shared 3 trades today on Telegram, and one of them hit. The first one hit stop loss, and the other two went absolutely fine today. I shared all the details on intraday basis, how you're supposed to trail your stop loss, how you should take your targets, and should not fear when market reverses. So if you're not there on Telegram, do join. The link is in the description below. एक बार explain कर देते हैं कि exactly what happened and what can happen tomorrow. So we clearly know that market is clearly in a downtrend. ये Bank Nifty का chart है. First, let's do the analysis for Nifty. Okay. So today we selected again like Bank Nifty for trading intraday. So market was clearly in a sideways on 7th, and then we were expecting कि market अपने previous day की range को जब तक नहीं तोड़ता है तब तक we can only look for long opportunity at bottom and short opportunity at somewhere here close to the previous day's stop. Or if breakout comes, we can look for long opportunity at least to the next target. ठीक है, market open gap down, gave a very bullish candle, tried to go high, and then it reversed immediately without touching the previous day's high. Previous day's closing also act as a resistance, but if it mark these many support and resistance, it will be difficult to trade. So just for understanding purpose, it was respected again and then breakdown happened. There was Nifty. Again, market consolidated, retested as a resistance, and then this is where our market turned around. But we took trade in Bank Nifty. So I will explain there how exactly it happened. And so this breakout was failed breakout. Market was not willing to go down and came in previous day's range, came all the way to today's high and previous day's closing price. It acted as a resistance, supported, and then market gave another bounce. I wasn't expected this much rally, but yes, market did give turnaround today. And I clearly explained on yesterday's video when we saw the recovery in euro pairs. So that was a hint that market is going to go slow down finally or may get into halt. So we did not have much room. So that's where I took first trade on the long side somewhere here, and then it failed. So that was first. So market built its pace, gave false breakdown to trap all these sellers, and then market gave a very good rally on the upside. So it was clearly played by big players, and that was played very beautifully with strict stop loss. You could make good money today. So out of 3, we went into 2 good trades. एक बार बैंक निफ्टी स्टॉप इस पे स्पॉट चार्ट पे नहीं करते हैं, फ्यूचर चार्ट पे कर लेते हैं जस्ट फॉर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग बिकॉज स्पॉट का चार्ट प्रॉपर नहीं है. Okay, this is HDFC, this is Bank Nifty. Yes, we had our levels. Okay, we cannot go for this target being intraday on intraday basis. So at least first target you can expect is this, that is previous day's high. Leaving this because this data I'm not considering as of now. So this was on intraday basis is still worth taking a trade for like 600 to 33,200 points. So basically 505 to 600 points on intraday basis you could track. So first trade was I took somewhere here on this candle, when 5 on this candle. Yes, this candle. So you can match the timing on the Telegram. The reason for this trade was, if I show you in a smaller time frame, let's go to 3 minutes. जाते हैं एक बार. Let me zoom in for you. Yes, this was 5 minutes range, or you call it a 15 minutes range because all the candles are in this range. So here was the range breakout. I was looking for the target of this much at least, and then market failed. This breakout was a fake breakout. So that's where somewhere here my stop loss triggered. I should have gone short immediately because when false breakdown happens or breakout happens, price reverses immediately. But before I could react, market was fell very sharply. So I couldn't. The next trade I took was on this breakdown because I was expecting कि market ने अगर यहाँ पे false breakdown दिया है, like breakout दिया है, तो यहाँ से this level may not halt any further, and this will, we can see further low. So मैंने यहाँ पे somewhere on this trend line breakdown I traded. I took, and my stop loss was somewhere here 150 points. And the best part of today, you know what you need to understand, that comes with experience of course. So we kept our target somewhere here. just 2-3 points, and it was like first time it came to the near to target but did not trigger. Second time it came near to the target, it did not trigger, and third time it just touched our target and then reverse immediately. So this was the most beautiful thing happened today, and that is part of trading. So it happens. However, that was not all. आज एक चीज और immediately what happened, मैंने टेलीग्राम पे अपडेट की थी. Let me come to the 1 minute time frame on this candle. When the price, this was a low and this candle appeared, I posted somewhere here that we may have the bottom, and then market we can find a long opportunity. So somewhere here there was a long opportunity. I posted 33,000 C at 350, 45 or 55 maybe. You can match on the Telegram, the timing and everything. And that trade went to 645. So almost 100% or 90% ROI in matter of few minutes. On this candle, I suggested to go for a long trade. And I also said that this probably the bottom we have found for the day, and we can look for long opportunity. Market immediately came down, but today's low was intact, did not touch. We were saved with few points. Agar मैं low check करूं, तो just check here. What was the low up here? This candle is 263.85 and here 251. So 13 points we saved our stop loss, and market, that was the bottom, and the market touched like previous day's range. It went into previous day's range and even above that. So market high was 374. So almost we had 1000 point rally, 32,293. Like let's say entry was somewhere here, 491 say high was 350. So 900 points rally we could capture, and that would have been only possible because if you can catch a bottom, there is a high probability that you can book your partial profit and trail your stop loss. That's the only way, because यहाँ पे आपको सबसे cheap में मिलता है when you buy anything, and if it reverses, it will give you a lot of money still. So that was a reversal here, and it was a very beautiful setup today in Bank Nifty. Yeah, the reason I found this was, see, जब यहाँ पे first trade was, this was our target. How could I figure out the bottom was in last just 1 minute पे एक बार देखते हैं just to understand. This candle is itself is 200 points. So this was a hint market had given me कि now market is going to continue on the upside. Okay. And also this was the support which was taken out. This is the first time that market, like first, second and third time it faced resistance, and market tried to further go lower, but it did not. It was facing some kind of buying here, and it was not breaking its day's low. So अगर पूरे दिन price halt कर रहा है उस level के ऊपर, there is a high probability that market, this is a false breakdown, and it will just made to trap all the sellers. And the way immediately the price shot up, 1:30 बजे से, the way price shot up, it went literally 900 points plus in 2 hours. So all the sellers, those who shorted the market here, they were trapped. On intraday basis, we shorted the market. We exactly took the profit here. Screenshot is shared on Telegram. If you want me to show you, let me share. Just a second. So this was the trade I shared on Telegram, that if this market has been sideways because of the previous 15 minutes की range को breakout देने के बाद price अगर range में आ गया वापस, it means it was just a false breakout and market is going to be sideways. Or it is quite volatile too, because 15 minutes की range को ऊपर की तरफ breakout देता है, फिर नीचे की तरफ breakout देता है, and then वापस reverse होता है. It means it was highly volatile. So we took our SL in first trade. Second two trade went absolutely gorgeous. So this was the trade shared, and the target was also shared, and including the stop loss. Let's see how market went. I updated every now and then. And then market, we trailed our SL, that was also updated, and then market reversed. And I clearly said that we will not take our, we will not exit the trade until it is taken out. Our SL is triggered, because that's what happens. If you have conviction on your setup, you will have your either SL or you will have a target. So next was market reverse again, this one, market reverse. And then I said that now you should trail your stop loss, because if this high is taken out, it means we have high probability that it takes our stop loss. And that's exactly what happened in a smaller time frame. This was the candle I posted, and the next candle was this, we hit our target. And immediately after 5 minutes, while I could post it, on appearance of that candle, I said that we found our trade. on the long side in the new setup, and this is the target and stop loss, and that also got triggered like 577. This is a Euro USD trade that I posted, and then I was not available on the system. So that's, yeah, I was not available on the system, and I couldn't update after that, but it was clearly taken out, and you could see it on chart itself. So I'll post you with that. Yeah, 33,000 CE 345 I posted, and it went high to 645 plus. And yeah, here I posted we have bottom for the day, and now long opportunity exists. This was a setup was shared, and